In the automotive sector, SMC's SY series and VQC series valves have become a game changer. SY valves not only offer up to 80% higher flow rates than previous models, but their compact design allows for more flexible installation options. Whether you need side, top, or bottom porting, the SY series can adapt to your specific requirements. This adaptability is particularly useful in automotive assembly lines, where space is at a premium, and every component must work seamlessly with others to keep the line moving efficiently. For food and beverage manufacturing plant, in such an environment, hygiene and efficiency are top priorities. SMC's JSY-H clean design valve manifold have a crevice-free exterior for low fluid accumulation and easy to clean. With its IP69K enclosure, use of NSFH1 grease, FDA-compliant material and stainless steel metal parts makes it perfect solution where high-pressure cleaning is required. It is available in manifold with IO-Link field bus option and as a standalone unit as well. Another great example is in robotic automation. SMC's JSY series valves are specifically designed for use on robotic arms and for end-of-arm tools. These valves are incredibly compact and lightweight, yet they offer improved flow characteristics, making them ideal for fast-paced automation tasks where precision and speed are critical. In a factory setting, these valves can be used to control robotic end-of-arms that handle delicate assembly tasks, ensuring that every movement is executed with the utmost accuracy. In the medical industry, where equipment must meet stringent regulatory standards, SMC's cleanroom products are indispensable. The directional control valves used in cleanrooms are manufactured under strict conditions, ensuring they are free from contaminants. These valves are essential in applications such as drug manufacturing and medical device production, where even the smallest impurity can have serious consequences. For more information, visit our website at proax.ca to discover the full range of SMC valves or contact us directly to discuss your specific or custom pneumatic needs.